Господа, дамы и господа, Ланойер. Короче, рассказываю. Финал пиздец как близок. Ведь оказывается, я вообще не знал, как это был. Но когда ходила керемия гнал. Он-то почти бипрепин. Был билегами предпоследний отдел калин. Он там была одна 2 года, когда там уже не до этого будет. Так, сразу манурок. А нет. Это спрятан автомобиль, что ли? Эс. Да ну нахуй. А где это достопримечательности индивида? Она здесь Голливуд ходил, не охуеть. Да, манорок. Вау! Вот это да, братан, садись, поехали на этом. Это музыка ты жестко кто городе. Напряженная Б. Направо до конца.
Goddamn drunk drivers! Holy hell! Hey.
Арбадағы тоқтады. Ганиган. Здание город хотят не били.
I hope you got some money saved up.
O, zadanie gibeli. Да, жестко. Легко выбило. То есть задание вот короче. Нога на пижоному мозглах. Na partyคนได้
There goes a week's wages.
Who in God's name would eat at that hovel? They really picked a prize shithole for our first date.
I swear, this town is going straight to hell.
It's up the stairs, detectives. Around the corner, last door on the left.
I'm all done. Your show now.
Via HSC double nation.
Sprinkle was not one of the things I wanted.
Carruthers. Phelps, I've been reassigned to Advice. What have we got?
2 stiffs. Overdosed. Been dead a couple of days.
Government issue morphine. We use the same syrettes in Okinawa.
Fucking Negro junkies can't take supply this pure.
You know these guys?
I know of them. The younger one's a 2-bit horn player by the name of Cornell Tyree. The other one works in distribution. Started using a little too much of his own product, and Jack D took exception. He wasn't born that ugly. His name's Lamont. Tyrone Lamont.
So who's supplying the drugs?
That's easy. Whoever knocked off the wharves in San Pedro. Jack Dragna, Mickey Cohen. Dope's been all upside down ever since Jimmy Utley started the long walk at Quentin.
You talk about it like it's a system.
It was a system. But those days are long gone.
We are supposed to uphold the law.
Yeah, and we do. But we can't change people. The truth is, everyone wants the license to get a little dirty now and then. Our job is to keep it manageable.
That's how you see it?
See it any other way, and you better forget about being a vice cop.
Can we get on with this? Today, preferably?
Black Caesar. From the joint across the street.
Ну, очевидно, они там.
Something was taped to the bottom of the cup.
Тут приклеены.
Clown lived on popcorn?
Они питаются попкорном.
Must have been messy eaters. It's all over the floor.
Find anything interesting?
Tyrone Lamont. Not even 23 years old.
Один 4-6. Эй, 7-4-6. Хорошо,
Small
да,
chance
сам
in life is
хочешь,
probably better than no
учебник
chance.
какой.
Another day, another dollar.
Вишня,
Some kind
колокольчик.
of fruit, a bell, and wind.
Find anything interesting?
Ну, ух ты, казино кинули. Это пунктно. Мое богатое воображение. Из моих обед тут сколько? Для тебя всегда.
I wonder what's the correlation between love of the needle and love of the music. Another special order from the Caesar. Took his jolt and drifted off. And I suppose his friend wasn't in any condition to notice that he had stopped breathing. One Surette is enough to knock you out for combat trauma. 2 of them will stop your heart.
Another day, another dollar.
say only the good die young. I hope it was true in your case.
Never the same, brother.
Who's JJ? And why do these two care about his taste in music? Looks like it was always going to end this way.
Another day, another dollar.
Morphe.
Street life have no idea how dangerous this stuff is. No cooking or preparation.
Здесь вот такой
Must have been the
Morphe, да.
easiest fix these two ever had.
Ебать, нахуй. Здесь такой стакан, да.
Bit heavy for an empty cup.
Опа.
They've been getting their fix right over the counter in broad daylight.
The Emperor across the street appears to ship a lot of popcorn. Let's shake him down.
Короче, ты попкорн от Лысой горы надо. Уже отдал тач, охуеть.
Right. Let's wrap this up before I actually have to work overtime instead of just claiming for it.
You're a true inspiration to us all, Roy.
In the effort to bring about a sound and equitable price structure, each group of our population industry not only the whole but to make reductions whenever profits justify such action.
Help you? Detectives Phelps and Durrell, LAPD. We're inquiring into the deaths.
Hand over the popcorn, numbskull, before we kick the door in. Get that son of a bitch. Stay on him.
Гадали отточенную жизнь Кевля. Alright.
Eddie, help me out, man. They're trying to kill me. You gotta help me out. What the hell going on here? Morgan! That you?
You picked the wrong cop, you fucking animals.
I'm gonna teach you a lesson. I'm gonna beat you black and blue. Not the face!
Хыби, отравлю.
You freak of
Фу,
nature.
бля.
What's your name?
Morgan.
Half an answer is no answer to me, asshole.
Fleetwood Morgan.
Keep an eye on him, Roy, while I take a look around.
Keep very still, Fleetwood. Don't give me an excuse to shoot you.
Circumstantial.
Мелочь-то.
Don't think this is anything.
Стеклянная батарея. Так, это что тут? Ящик. Оу. Все. Пизда тебе, братан.
Morphine.
Морфин.
Might not be filling, but I'm sure it's satisfying.
Все. Это в итоге видно. Прислали, блядь, джаз-клуб.
Should be stamped on the reverse by the issuer.
Джермен
Maybe
Джонс.
Morgan can give us something on this Jones character. Probably nothing.
Вот ты где Бронсон. 6 за 5.
These number slips might affect your tone, Fleetwood.
About time we heard what Fleetwood here has to say, Cole.
We're inquiring about the deaths of 2 men in an apartment across the street, Fleetwood. We want answers.
Of course. I'll do my best, mister.
You sold the drugs to Cornell Tyree and Tyrone Lamont.
Oh, I sell fried steaks and black-eyed peas.
Пиздец, бля.
You're lying, Fleetwood. We know that you supplied them.
I don't know nothing about no drugs. All I do is my 10 hair flipping burgers. Can you prove any different?
Так, пристегнем с морфином, да, или что тут? Булаги. Бля, это в этом морфине.
Flipping burgers and strapping jolts of morphine to the bottom of popcorn cups, Fleetwood. Now I want the truth. Who supplies the drugs?
Cat by the name of Armstrong Edwards. All right, brings the stuff around about once a day.
I know Armstrong. He's a two-bound, strictly small time. Who's he working for, Fleetwood?
Jermaine Jones.
We have you for the hop and resisting arrest. Tell us about the numbers if you want our help.
Look, the numbers are the white man's tax on poor folk. All right, now what else you want to know?
We have an address on the slips. We're gonna go down there now and rat you out, Fleetwood. Tell whoever it is that you rolled over and gave them up.
No. Look, I've been cooperative, okay? Now you gotta help me some.
Fleetwood, I'm going to speak personally to the judge on your behalf.
A name, Fleetwood.
Well, he's a real slick dude. Wears a hat and swings a cane. Goes by the name of Merlin. All right, I ain't got a last name.
See you at the station, Fleetwood.
But you're gonna help me, right?
Of course, kid. You helped us out. We always like to repay a favor. Can you see that Fleetwood gets a nice cell, Wallace? One with a window and a nice fresh pillow.
Operator, message for KGPL.
Putting you through now.
Phelps, badge 1247.
How could I help, Detective?
I need an address on a Jermaine Jones musical booking agency.
Just a moment, Detective. Jermaine Jones. The office is listed as 5528 Santa Monica Boulevard.
Thank you.
That's the cop from the newspaper.
The heck?
Nigar'ın eti kapandı.
I heard you were in the Blue Room the other night. Shouldn't you have been at home? Tucked in bed with the wife and kids?
Where I go is your business?
It couldn't have had anything to do with a certain delightful but damaged German girl, could it?
I don't know what you're talking about, Roy.
Indian in the vicinity of
How was Hopgood?
Congress at 3rd and Union. Stand by for further
Who?
unit to handle identifying.
Marlon Hopgood, your informer. He was my corroborating witness in the Bishop case.
Oh, right. Marlon. You're not still sore about that, are you? Made the case without him.
He was an accessory to the abuse of the girl.
As long as Hollywood exists, it's going to be chewing up starry-eyed little girls. Marlon was small time. You caught the big fish. And look how much good it did your career.
Граф, правда, бля. Пиздец, авария. Нихуя рагы. Flöt kullandım. Туран, да, блядь, серьезно как-то ёбаный. чугатым хотя бы. Влево. Так, блин. Направо, налево. Ладно, буду сколько таком маланга тут. Сейчас. Бля. Сейчас сыграем, да? Как прямую гасу. Бля, полицейский, да, тут. Да тут что за хрень? О, да, блядь. О, иди нахуй, короче. Да, полис, стоит нахуй. Алмаз нам, бля.
Emergency call. I need to take this.
Go straight. Go straight over. Keep going straight. Take the next right turn.
Any unit in the vicinity of 211 in progress at 3rd and Union. Stand by for further unit to handle. Identify.
Car 11K response. Stop! LAPD!
Like hell!
Put your hands in the air!
What's it, mister?
Give it up! LAPD! Don't make me chase you!
Oh, tachka kalbit. Someone else covered.
Yes, Bullseye cigarettes. It's the tobacco that matters. Independent tobacco experts know the people of Bullseye only select the freshest, most succulent cigarette tobacco. Fresh, clean moisture permeates every leaf of tobacco in every Bullseye brand cigarette. Mellow taste, freshness. Medical science offers you proof positive. Bullseye is right on the money. With more refreshment and less throat-irritating tars. Naturally light, free and easy on the draw. It's why 9 out of 10 screen stars smoke Bullseye cigarettes. Bullseye Tobacco Company of Virginia.
Пиратный автомобиль көддөк пока что сзади киретлі. Манайық.
A better variety. KTI Radio 760.
All units in the vicinity and any central unit. Citizen reports of 415 at 7th and Central. Unit to handle code 2. Identified.
Блять, сирен хоббатны харат одноманы халам.
Straight over the next intersection. Keep going straight. Next right.
Take the next left.
All units in the vicinity and any central unit. Citizen reports of 415 at 7th and Central. Unit to handle code 2. Identified.
Some disturbance. I need to get up there.
Go on, get after him.
Dudley, you killed him.
You saw what happened? That creep attacked me. I can't watch you go around with drunk losers like that anymore, honey. What are you doing up here with him anyway? You deserve better.
He invited me up to. Dudley, I had no idea you felt this way.
You! Get back here!
After him, goddammit! Dudley Lynch. It's been a while.
I can't hit a target that isn't there, Phelps.
Давай, стреляй.
Getting close. Steer him off the tar.
Заебал, бля. Тут-то содой на табак.
clear this asshole off the road. Step on it, huh? Just give me a little closer. Hit him, Cole. Spit him out.
Это, бля, стрелять под колесом.
I'll try for the tires. Keep your foot down.
Блядь, заебал нахуй. В смысле? Провален.
All units in the vicinity and any central unit. Citizen
Бля,
reports of 415
какая разница вот это? Главное убить.
to handle code 2. Identify.
This is 11K. We'll handle the 415.
11K, Roger.
Go on, get after him.
А, мне долго дух было, блин.
You! Get back here! After him, goddammit!
Sharply Lynch. It's been a while.
It's no good. We need to get closer. Hit him, Cole. Spit him out. Keep it steady and I'll try to bust his tires. Spit him out.
Подозревает на холдинг, вот сюда.
I can't take the shot from here, Cole. Getting close. Steer him off the tar.
Ты, блядь, тухнул народа во
See how fast he runs on bare rims. Hit him. Clear.
Для будного нападения
Getting close. Steer him off the tar. You're under arrest, asshole. Dudley Lynch.
I didn't mean for him to fall. I swear to Christ I didn't. I just wanted to keep him away from Shannon. He was taking advantage of her.
It's out of my hands, Lynch. Claim self-defense and see if Miss Perry will testify on your behalf.
Ой, без хала. Так, дальше варняк. А, чуга побыт. Ах ты олени, сука.
He had it coming, man. He's stone cold dead in the market. He's stone cold dead in the market. He's stone cold dead in the market. I killed nobody but his husband.
Son of a bitch!
Сделала.
His family is swearing to kill me, and if I kill him, he had it coming.
All units, officers need help. Hollywood and Highland. Hollywood and Highland officers need help. 211 in progress and shots fired. Unit to handle code 3, identify.
Ах так, ебли.
Are you trying to mow them down?
There's one thing that I am sure. He ain't going to beat me no more. So I tell you that I doesn't care if I was to die in the electric chair.
Çeksenin batmasını toptan. Muhabbet dedi.
I kill nobody but my husband.
Ола. Так, мы просто кралым. Ой, ебать, твой бубу. Что за колбаска? Я хатный кап. Да ебать нахуй. Сука. Середла ворову потянули.
KTI Radio, a service of the American Century Broadcasting System. Some swell harmonies right here by this Evelyn Knight.
Видали, что было? Да ну буду я высоко так сохранять. Все. Он да прямо и не народ. чатом я люблю. Стопуленький. Чат. Бля. Здорово, Серджинио. Сука, хагу думаю. Оли круто. Бля, чат вообще, бля, ухту ладно. Дай дюля, бля. Ёвана. Слава огну. Так мрал, бля. И чё здорово, хагу. Kahana Fugazi стримил донами. Ваше чаду губят. Жодно для подсказка совет пару евро. Он отменил как такой чат. Нахадаем. Самую зону булагами. Зонам рам. Я ол стримил рам. А то блин, чатку когда пошли. Ого, тут парень. Пошел, блядь, чатку пиздец подсказка это гурьёл рам. Чатку что-то хабары. А такие, паш, блядь. İki tane sırnadım bu tol hamdı kutum açacağım diye. Canlı bana getirin doğrama bile. Bir tane de kral. Bakın dia. Memanglah Крипа мафия только на стороне закона. Записание. Утром рано хабы гандал. Ini kim bara ya? Pasca gastronomi. Kinep bir de. Boynunu atlas'tı. Seviyor ya. Bastan terakkadan yavrum. Ondan bulan. Şimdi huyaba audio tema apahalım. Он по сей день до сих пор обновляется. Тура, бля, полиция.
Look where you're going.
Паш, бля, колен тулал уже. Да. Полиция. Полицейский тут есть? Оба доби полицейский, бля, рах пойдет. Оба доби полицейский, рах пойдет. Себастьян, нах.
Out of the car, police.
I find one goddamn ding. Propaganda into the motion picture.
Allah Allah, haydak da kusok, bля. Мусор майда. Нам полицейская машина нужна, полицейская машина нужна. Подюлок, подюлок.
Look where you're going.
No problem. Тора.
Leave the keys, officer. I need to take this.
На 50 я не понравилось. Супер. Ок-ок-ок-ок.
Take the next left.
Блядь, тут не потерял влекнуть.
Straight over the next intersection.
Toch dan wat ran garboe.
All units, officers need help. Hollywood and Highland. Hollywood and Highland officers need help. 211 in progress and shots fired. Unit to handle code 3, identify.
What have we got?
3 guys tried to knock the place over and got jumped. Now they got a half dozen patrons and staff for insurance.
Do we know the situation inside?
2 inside covering the hostages, plus this charmer at the front door. We need to do something about him now, sir. He won't negotiate. I don't kill this poor bastard if we don't put him down.
You come any closer, I'll pull the trigger. Move up!
Hurry! There's still someone in there!
Car 11K, code 4 at Hollywood First National Bank, corner of Hollywood and Highland. Suspects are down. I need an ambulance and notify the coroner.
Roger on the ambulance, 11K. All units be advised, suspects are down at Hollywood First National at the corner of Hollywood and Highland.
bırak. Başlamıyorum. Gitti.
Any available units of 44 Sunset will be taken into custody at Sunset and Ivar. Unit to handle code 2 identified.
Car 11K will handle the outstanding suspect.
Roger 11K. See the detective. A possible 484 at Sunset and Ivar. Bookmakers.
Detective Phelps.
Look, Phelps, in a minute, a bagman named Rampley's gonna walk in here and put a mint on some horse running in the 5th. We don't care about Rampley so much as we want his boss. He's the one we're gonna put away for fixing the race.
You're hoping Rampley will lead us to him?
Bingo. Here's what you're gonna do. Get in there, blend in, wait for our mark. He'll be in a dark coat. Wait until he hands over the cash, then tail him. Good luck.
I'll wait outside. Keep an eye on the place.
That's the cop from the newspapers. I think his name is Phelps. He brought in that case where that poor lady killed near City Hall.
Вот и он.
Give me $1,000 on Cavalcade in the 5th.
Hey, come on. This ain't New York.
You playing hide and seek, Mac?
Got it, boss. A full G. She's coming in at 20 to 1. You and I are about to retire.
LAPD, you're both under arrest. Car 11K calling KGPL. Ambulance required at Sunset and Ivar. Shots fired and suspects are down. We're code 4, but I'll need an ambulance in a corner.
Roger that, 11K. All units be advised, the 484 at Sunset and Ivar is code 4. Suspects are down.
Так.
You're paying for every last scratch.
Опять чай, директ. Пока